Hey, wait just a minute now.
Yeah.
You're telling me that you've got a knot tying tool?
Yes.
Something to tie it for you?
Yeah, sure.
I want to see that.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
We'll sort that.
They don't want to have one.
I'm gonna show it to you. It's pretty easy and simple. First I cut the end of the line, then I click the lure, then I stick the line, I press few times, that way, line comes out, then the tightening, nice and easy, there is ready 5-turn uni knot. Then I just cut the extra line away and it's ready for fishing.
So you're telling me this will tie a perfect uni knot every time? That easy?
Exactly for monofilaments and fluorocarbon ones.
That is going to be a lifesaver when you're cold, when you're wet, when your sunglasses have water spots on them. How easy, and there's really nothing to stick your pocket. You can carry this in your pocket. Nothing to stick you, one-handed operation almost. You're really going to save all of us a lot of time, and we're not going to have to count how many times. Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3 times, night or day? Bring your right sunglasses or not. Looks like a great new product. So Taro, tell me, is really that simple?
It's that
Wait. So you're telling me that I can take this and just with a few clicks and put that on there and go, and now I don't have to tie my knot? Oh man, you just saved me a lot of time, man. Oh, I'm glad. Is this one mine?
Yeah.
That's great.